Hi everyone, today is just a quick video of this Bluetooth USB adapter which I'm going to install inside my computer. I don't know if you watched that USB 3 card. I'm going to install it today, later on in there. So this will go in to one of the USB 3 slots. So basically it turns your PC into a Bluetooth device. So you can connect Bluetooth speakers, your phone, that kind of stuff. So it should be pretty simple. That's the box. I think the brand is Avantri. So I got this on Amazon. So basically I should just plug it in and it should work. Let's try. So I opened the box and I plugged it in into the front USB socket, but like I said, it's going to go into the back inside the PC. Let's see how this sets up. So you can see that automatically, let's get that in focus, the blue Bluetooth symbol has come up. So you click on that. So let's add a Bluetooth device. The only Bluetooth device I got currently is this Bluetooth wooden speaker my cousin Anissa gave me. So let's try and connect that. Okay, let me switch it on. Okay, that speaker's on. So add Bluetooth device. So it's searching for the Bluetooth. So that's my Samsung TV. It's found it already. Oh, is that twat on TV? So I think it's still searching. It takes a while to recognize it. Okay, what I'm going to do is put the speaker on and off again, and hopefully it'll come up. Just give me a second. Okay. Should come up as so the green light is on. You're just trying to find it. I've had this experience in the past when initially it takes quite a while to find the Bluetooth devices, but once it's recognised it, it'll recognise it and stay on there. So guys, finally after a few minutes it's recognised it. Blue Boom Audio, that's the speaker. So let's go to YouTube. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so that's been recognised. Let's close all that. Let's go to YouTube and play a license-free music, just to see if it works. Just stick the volume up. So that's playing, I think. So why isn't it coming out of the Bluetooth speaker? What have I done wrong? Let me go back to Bluetooth devices. Oh, actually, sorry, I forgot to connect it. So there you go. So there you go. Quite a good sound for a little speaker. So as you can see, my normal speakers are turned off, so the sound is just coming out of the Bluetooth speaker. So there you go. How to set up turn your computer into a Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching.